It's Chinese New Year. We give her a Chinese New Year party. Everybody has a lot of muscle.
A lot of muscle.
Look at the sky. The color of the sky. So beautiful. Where are you from, sir?
Me from Texas. Where are you
Texas. From Chongqing.
Chongqing.
Chongqing, China.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice environment.
A lot of sun.
Soaking in a lot of sun every day. Free tanning. Free tanning.
I could get a video with you.
Yeah, sure.
Look at these.
Oh, this is my friend. It's Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year. And I hope the next year it's all about the good luck, prosperity to you. Stay healthy and all the best.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Wow!
There you go. That's it.
That's the handshake.
You're doing so good.
Look at this. Local people, they're so nice. They want to take a picture with me. So good.
What brings you in town?
We came for CES. You know, we have a lot of Chinese companies, a lot of innovation.
A lot of it.
Yeah, a lot of it. Tremendous technology. Now I'm just doing my personal travel.
Did you hear what he said? Now finally doing the personal travel.
Personal travel. We travel a lot.
A few moments later.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
I work in marketing.
We support marketing, you know.
You do?
Yeah, we love business. I made a lot of money in
A lot of
marketing.
money?
A
Real
lot of
estate
money.
deals?
We love money. I was in real estate. I was in real
Yeah.
estate. A lot of beautiful buildings designed
Very big.
and built.
Big. Really big.
Bigly. Tremendous.
Yeah. I like Hotpot.
Oh, he likes Hotpot. This guy, he
Big
likes
fan of
Hotpot. You have to go to China.
Yeah.
Go to Chongqing. We have the best hop. Anything made in China, I will be there. You know, I support everything made in China.
Of course. I mean, obviously.
Obviously. But that's my music. Come on, that's my music, right? We love this. We love this. All right. Come on, let's dance together. Come on. Anybody want some dance? Let's dance, right? That's good. That's good. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. We have a lot of people. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. A lot of people. We have a lot of people over here. It's so good. It's so good. Thai food. I thought it's Japanese, but it's Thai food. But it's all Asian. We love Asian food.
No way. Can we take a photo with you?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh my God.
Let's mingle with the local folks. Very nice folks.
I really just
Look at this baby, how cute she is. It's Chinese New Year. We gave her a Chinese New Year party. It's Lucky Money inside. Lucky Money.
You got lucky money.
And
You say hi.
she named Paila. look at her smile.
You say hi,
It's very,
Lucia.
what's her name?
Lucia.
Lucia.
That's
How you
so
doing,
funny.
Lucia? Very strong handshake. All right.
Okay, smile. 1, 2, smile, Lucia.
Thank you. Thank you. We have WeChat. We don't have Snapchat. You should download WeChat. WeChat's very strong.
You like it or you want another one?
I don't really care because I want to make sure you guys look good. This is the rules in China. When you take pictures with ladies, okay, we want to make sure ladies first. I need to be stand at this place
Okay.
because my face is big. I'm gonna make your face look smaller.
Okay.
Okay, we're very courteous Chinese people right now. Okay, how about this?
You got your eyeball in there. Okay.
This is a better picture. Thank you.
Follow my TikTok because I just vlog. This is me.
Oh, you're a vlogger.
I am.
Let's follow her. Let's follow her.
You're Jennifer Strong.
We're gonna post it. Let's follow Jennifer
Dr.
Strong.
Jennifer Strong.
Doctor, you're a doctor.
I'm a doctor.
What-
Special ed.
Special what?
Special ed. Special needs kids.
Oh,
Students with disabilities.
Students with disabilities. So.
you care about the next generation.
Yes.
Education is very important.
So.
We also care about that. In China, we also care about that. You know, our kids, they study very hard. You know, they got very high GPA, very high GPA.
Smart.
They're very smart.
Yeah.
You know?
I took some of these videos in China.
Oh, really? You went to China? Where did you go?
Videos.
Where did you go?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen and
Yes.
where else?
That's it.
Oh, you're missing
And I
out.
came back.
You're missing out. You should go to Chongqing.
It's a good one.
Chongqing, it's the best city in China, the best one. Very spicy, very spicy.
Are you following more than anybody? Are you just following one person on your profile? Or are you following more people?
Let's follow you first. I follow everybody.
I follow the White House.
That's good.
I was like, Sarah, I know.
That's me.
Oh, you said 170. Yeah.
I didn't know that, but I think that's friggin'
That's
awesome.
the right choice.
Yeah, it's a great.
I follow you. I follow
She's a
you.
patriot.
Yes.
She's a patriot.
So I follow.
We need people like that.
We love it.
I'm happy I saw you today.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
You guys make my day, you know?